a lot of you guys still want to continue on learning how exactly we can make more money online. And we don't even mean just hundreds. We're talking about thousands of dollars here every single month. We're going to teach you how you can make over $35,000 every single month with our method for today. With our method for today, it's literally only going to take you a few minutes of your day. You won't even have to exert that much effort because we're going to be showing you a loophole on how to earn using today's method by doing absolutely nothing. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The first website that we want you to go to is Amazon.com. Now, we know for sure that you guys already know what this website is all about and what it does, so we aren't going in depth with that. You can either go to Amazon.com right away, or you can go on Google and look up Amazon Kindle eBooks, so you can be led straight to our focus for today's video. Now, this is the Amazon Kindle ebook section, and yes, you are correct, Amazon is going to be paying us for today's video. Now, if you scroll through all of these ebooks, a lot of them are being sold for a really good price, which is great because this means this is how much we're going to be earning, and this is how we're going to be pricing our ebooks as well. Now, imagine selling ebooks for $15 and then you can see about 5,000 reviews, which means that's 5,000 different people. And if you multiply that by 15, the author of the book has already made about $75,000 passively, which sounds absolutely insane, but it couldn't be any truer. Now, don't worry if you're starting to get worried because you actually won't be writing or creating any of your own books. We are going to be sharing with you a website that's going to give you free ebooks. Exactly. Free complete ebooks that you can make and author as your own without any problem with copyright whatsoever. And we don't think you guys are actually ready for this, but we are sharing it with you since it's what's going to help us make real money ASAP. Now, what we want you to do is go on kdp.amazon.com. And as you can see, self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. You can get to market fast, you can make more money, you can keep control, you can publish in digital and in print, and you can start as soon as possible. So go ahead and click on sign up, and that should take you to here. Then you're going to have to fill up all of the details being asked of you. Your name, your email, your password twice, then hit on create an account, and just like that, there's your very own Amazon account ready and activated. And now we're going to show you the website wherein you can actually get a free and whole and complete ebook from, and that website is called buyqualityplr.com. And to those who are new here and who have never heard of what PLR is or what it means, PLR means private label rights, also known as PLR. It is a personal favorite, as you can simply edit the content and resell it using your name. There are endless possibilities with this business model that you can exploit and earn. PLR content usually have the most flexibility, especially if you're looking to edit and brand content. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So whatever is under PLR means that you can sell and even change or even keep it as it is, but author it and make it as your own without having any problems with copyright or whatever at all. This is where you're going to be able to get your free ebooks, sell them as your own, and earn money on Amazon like it's nothing. It's a little bit tricky, so make sure that you really pay attention to what we're about to say. So to get ebooks from here, just hover on free PLR, then choose free PLR ebooks. And just like that, all the free ebooks ever in the world right in front of your eyes. The thing is though, you might want to be different from everyone else because for sure, there are a lot of people who have the same thing as we do if you can sell your first copy-pasted book. So, let's say that you get one that's for free, right? And you sell it, and maybe from that profit, you can finally buy PLR materials. And in that way, there is no one else with content like yours because most of the time, not a lot of people are willing to pay for content that is not free. Which means that you're the only one willing because you're thinking smart. You're thinking of the strategy that's gonna work. Anyway, you have that option, and we do suggest that you do spare a few dollars because trust us, the money that you're going to be given back would be 2 or 3 times greater than the $10 that you spared to get original content from PLR. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Trust us when we say this, and we know that because just download the material to your computer and then just upload it to buy quality PLR. You have to trust us when we say this. If you spare a few dollars even and give it up, and you're gonna get 2 or 3 times more in ROI in literally maybe a week. So it's really important that you take these types of risks, especially when we're promising you that it is gonna work out the way that we're saying it will. So literally just download the materials to your computer, upload it on buy quality PLR, and just like that, you have an ebook that you can sell and make money with on complete autopilot without having to exert constant effort and work just so that you can make money online. This has very good minimal work, and it really is the best thing ever. So make sure you try our method for today, and just like that, money, money, money raining like nothing. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.